Hey guys, welcome to week 4. This week we're going to cover the first half of chapter 3, which is all about understanding markets. And so to characterize markets in economics, we use supply and demand graphs. And so that's what we're going to be learning about this week, is sort of understanding the nature of the supply curve and the demand curve and how those two interact to give us equilibrium prices and quantities. And so this week, basically, we're just going to be covering the first half of chapter 3. Next week, we'll cover the second half of chapter 3. So this week we have a couple of assignments due. The first one is the Learn Smart, which is going to cover the first half of chapter 3. Then we're going to have a discussion due on Sunday, and we're also going to have a homework assignment due on Sunday, which is going to cover sort of reviewing math and graphs, some things that are going to be really important when we get to sort of the homework next week and the midterms and things like that. I'm going to need you to be able to understand how to read graphs and how to put curves on graphs and things like that. And so this week's homework is going to just sort of be practice doing that. The main thing about this week's homework that's going to be different from the other homeworks is this homework is really meant to be a review. And so because it's a review, you're going to have an unlimited number of attempts. After each attempt, you'll be able to see which questions you got right and which questions you got wrong. And then you can go back and work on the ones you got wrong and try and correct your errors. And you'll have as many attempts as you want until you're satisfied with your score. And so just that won't be the case in most homeworks. Usually I'll give you 2 or 3 attempts on the homeworks and only 1 attempt on the midterms. But because I really want this to be a review, I'm going to give you an unlimited number of attempts. And so that homework is also due on Sunday along with a discussion, and the Learn Smart is due on Thursday. All right, hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you next time.